but a lump of flesh in the womb of your mother, and that Allah sends this angel to you, and the angel blows life into you at 120 days. And the angel says, "Oh my Lord, what is his sustenance? Oh my Lord, what are his deeds? Oh my Lord, what is his date of death? And oh my Lord, is he amongst the blessed or the wretched?" And you come out into this world, and as you open your eyes to this world, the first thing that happens is a shaitan pokes at you and says that you and I are going to have a long time together, and that I will lead you astray. The angels fade into the background, and you live this crazy life that proceeds so rapidly that even if you live 70, 80 years, it's like the blink of an eye. The devil tries to tempt you to evil, and the angels try to call you to good. And then as you get older and you find yourself in the same state of vulnerability that you came into this world, you look out and you see these angels coming down from the heavens with your shroud, and they call you back, and they say, "Come out to the pleasure of your Lord. Come out to his forgiveness. Come out to his mercy. We were with you through this entire journey, and we will carry you throughout." They take your soul from the body. You go to the grave, and your questioners are two angels. You are raised on the day of judgment with an angel that drives you and an angel that bears witness for or against you. And then you enter into paradise, where angels enter upon you perpetually, saying, "Peace be unto you for the patience that you had."